guys, welcome back to Brothers Birding Adventure, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make an eBird account. So to start off, you have to go to ebird.org. It should take you to this page. Let me sign out my account. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to create an account. So this is what you should get to once you open it. It has like news, so things about science. You can explore birds, enter species name, ivory gull, and turn out you can like a picture and like where it lives and things like that. So, but today we are going to create accounts. So you click on that create account button. Let's make this one Birding Bay. So this is it, Birding Bay. Let's make our username be Bay Birding BBA. Alright, let's do the password. Okay, and enter. You don't have to. I don't think you have to enter an email address, but I will. You can contact us at Brothers Birding Adventure at Gmail. So you can create an account, correct email address. Okay, so now an account already exists for this thing, but since I'm making another one, it'll be okay. But I want to create another account. Yes, I really want to create another account. Okay, now they checked our emails. I will check my Gmail. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, I got a lot of eBird alerts. Alright, but then you pick activate your account. That's not what I want. So it takes you to sign into your Cornell Lab account. You type in whatever your username was. So that's us. And then the password. And sure enough, it would sign you in. You don't have to do this step. I'm not going to. Skip this step. Then you get to pick your like species name, how it'll display. If you want the common name or like scientific name or like both. I normally would go with both. Birding Bay or like anonymous eBirder. You can choose what your name would look like. Data privacy, things like that. I don't want any of that. And share media notifications. So you save and accept, and boom, you're in. And if you want to like show some birds that you found, like today I saw some birds. So let's find it on a map. I was stationary. Start time was 7 o'clock when I started. 0 hours, 10 minutes. Party size 1, just me. And we pick the date. Today's the 13th. AM. We go on this. What did I see? I saw a house finch. I just have 5 of those. I saw an American crow. So 3 American crows, 1 fish crow, 2 blue jays. I saw 1 Carolina chickadee and 1 Carolina red. Oh, here we go. Alright, then I would click yes, submit, and boom, there I have it. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.